Namaste friends, welcome to Biology Bite. Today I'm going to tell you which are the most important chapters in NEET Biology and are very scoring. If you study these chapters very well, no one can stop you from getting 300 plus in NEET Biology. Don't you even dare skip any of these chapters because even 1 mark can make or break your career. So let's get started. At number 1, the most important unit in NEET Biology. And the prize goes to Ecology, the last 4 chapters of class 12th. Why is Ecology unit the most important? To begin with, simply because maximum number of questions are asked from this unit and these 4 chapters. What makes them more important is the fact that they are extremely simple, unlike other units like molecular basis of inheritance or genetics. So most students writing NEET will get the questions from these 4 chapters right. As you're in a competition at the end of the day, you cannot afford to get these questions wrong. So prepare well. Memorize all the names and dates of summits, conferences, pollution acts, and you'll be good to go. At number 2 is a tie between human physiology and plant physiology. Now, you will say that more questions are asked from human physiology, so it should be more important. Yeah, right. But human physiology has a lot of chapters too, whereas plant physiology has only 5 chapters. So on the basis of questions asked, they are equally important. Now, because you're going to be a doctor, it is expected of you that you should know the different systems of human physiology. On an average, 11 to 12 questions are asked from human physiology and 7 to 8 questions are asked from the 5 chapters of plant physiology. The best thing about these 2 units is that you do not have to learn or mug up much in these chapters. But that makes your task even tougher because application-based questions will be asked from these units that will require crystal clear understanding of concepts and a lot of practice of questions. So practice a lot of questions from these 2 units instead of just mugging up. At number 3, Genetics and Evolution unit of class 12th. Often labeled as the most difficult unit in biology, this unit also requires a little bit understanding of maths and application of maths. So practicing questions is obvious. You should also know and understand the different processes like replication, transcription, translation in detail, along with lac operon and DNA fingerprinting. Evolution is a little bit easier, I would say. At number 4, Cell, Structure and Function of class 11th. This unit is closely connected to the previous unit, that is Genetics and Evolution. Most of the concepts like different types of bonding, peptide bond, phosphodiester bond, taught in biomolecules, its application is repeated and you should know these bonds very nicely to learn the different concepts of molecular basis of inheritance in class 12th. You should understand meiosis really well because you won't understand linkage and recombination taught in genetics without knowing meiosis. Last but not the least, at number 5 is Biotechnology. My favorite chapters. I simply love these 2 chapters. You know, they're not very lengthy chapters, but they're extremely important for NEET. You don't even have to work that hard to score well in these 2 chapters. Trust me, just understand the concepts of these 2 chapters and you will also love these 2 chapters for sure. So those were the top 5 important chapters for NEET.